Mbekali kyobochore n'echimbe ba IBC niko bono kementera matuko ase bali bakoligie birogo byobore wense nabo igebiro byo governor asogo chikubwato kamalieta abo amo n'abakonyi babo kolengana buli tangania kyombeke kya IBC ne konyara kya ribuna lituko lyo mweli wabwenta kubwato kamalieta abo cyase kyombeke nabo igamo n'abakonyi babo nigo lyabwenta ko basitali kya 25 umutinyo kolende kubwatekana nemero bilyo yo komwenia umurayo oyo kabiro umurayo wense ya Kenya gatatu mwa Kibaki nikobone kyombege kyabere kyogusukia sitariki echo kwekasitariki 15 neye mu mutinyo gatano omwaka yoiga nikobaikero ko igwanoko maiga yabarayibo mu biye byage siasa aho konyara gotwara ogo sangarkana boy gonega ikaro imeyo mu Nairobi asabanyara go etibuna bachikubwato kamalieta yabali bakuru andre biroge byo nabo n'abakonyi babo sitariki 15 neye mu umutinyo gatano umwaka yoiga bwikiri bubere na 22.
Date for submission of aspirants lists for the positions of president and presidential candidates and deputies, as well as gubernatorial candidates and deputies, will be on the 16th of May. That's next month, 16th of May 2022. That is for presidential candidates, their deputies, gubernatorial candidates and their deputies will be on the 16th of May, that is next month. And all these then names will be submitted to Chapter 6 institutions for due diligence before the date for aspirants or to have nomination meetings which will be carried out countrywide, pre-nomination meetings which will be carried out countrywide on the 23rd of May. So that is the agreement we have had today.